Welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I would like to show you that how you will record your audio with good quality sound and totally cleared. So firstly, while you connect your headphone mic connector to your PC laptop device cell phone with your cell phone device, it is very important to selection here. That's which plug you have to select. So see here, when you inject your headphone, this option will display on your display. Then you have to here option will be is reflecting that which device did you plug in. So here don't go for this one. Yes, mic also don't go. Yes, headphone also don't go, because you know here I mistaked and we don't, of course. Yes, we are not going to be able to record good audio sound while you're recording your monitor desktop for your education purpose any of course project. Don't go for also. Yes, headset with microphone don't go. Speaker out don't go, of course. Yes, Skullcandy headphone, this one I have to select. But here this one is also of course give you better sound, but if you comparison between which one will be, then of course I give her the one number of this and this one is a second. So select headphone. Then speaker out don't go. So just we will go here Skullcandy headphone. Why Skullcandy is coming here? Because my headphones companies goes to of course belong to that especially company, so that's why. So whatever company mics belongs to, of course these headphones select. So now here also one change you have to here, my dear, this one here you have to go in a yes sound device to playback device, recording device. But don't go in a recording device, you have to go in a play device. In play device you have to go in a recording. In recording you have to click on a microphone. Yes, and microphone in which you have to go in a level this one. See, you have to select here of course 100 and this one you have to do 0. Yes, dB should be a dull 0. So there will be no any kind of the humming, mumming, cracking, the noise will come on your yes audio. So this is very important of course to go for the selection good one and to achieve the good quality of your audio in your yes recording. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thanks for giving the good time to of course watch my video, and of course it's my humble request that if my video has been benefited to you in any way, then please like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is one thing that will inspire to me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.